Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today we will be featuring Kalanchoe laxiflora, and itong succulent na to is also known as the Milky Widow's Thrill. So itong succulent na to is characterized as having woody stems, and typically yung kanilang height would be less than 20 inches only. So yung leaves niya is greenish in color, and yung kanyang leaf margins is reddish to purplish in color, depende na lang kung gaano siya ka-stress. So dito, ayan, purplish yung kanyang color, pero sa pinakataas na part, reddish orange yung kanyang color. We need to provide sufficient sunlight dito sa succulent na ito, and actually yung succulent na to is nasa rain or shine area siya. It's been almost a year na nandito nga siya sa ating rooftop, and mukhang gusto niya naman yung ganitong setup na it's receiving an all day long na sunlight. These days, medyo mainit na nga yung panahon as we are in the summer season, kaya napansin ko rin na mas naging intense yung color ng kanyang leaf margins. When watering this succulent, we can literally ignore it. So sometimes I do water all of my other succulents, pero itong succulent na to is hindi ko siya madalas diligan, but still it really is thriving. So I must say na isa ito sa mga succulents na sobrang daling alagaan, and it's very important na yung ginagamit nating potting mix sa kanya is well draining, para even if ilagay natin siya sa isang rain or shine area, pag naulanan man siya, hindi siya basa-basa mo-over water. As a general rule, we have to water it only pag nag-dry na nga completely yung ating laxiflora. Ayan, so I cannot remember when was the last time I watered this succulent. Parang ngayon lang ulit. In terms of its propagation, hindi rin kayo mahihirapan kasi definitely it would be producing offsets from time to time. So right now, we will be taking some stem cuttings. Probably itong mga nag-trail na kasi masyado nang mabigat yung nasa dulo na part, kaya we have to cut it. So all we need to do is make a clean cut. So even if na mukha na siyang kahoy sa labas, still sa loob dapat ganito yung kanyang itsura. It should be greenish and moist para masabi natin na magiging successful yung ating propagation. So after cutting, pwede na natin siyang itanim agad sa ating potting mix, and ayan, mag-root na rin siya in a couple of weeks. Lastly, for its grooming and maintenance, I would say na almost wala ako masyadong ginawa para pagandahin itong succulent na ito, kasi nandito lang siya sa isang area na talagang almost I don't check on this area often. Kumbaga, I only water them pag kailangan. Kasama niya yung ating mga turtle vines here. So, just imagine kung gaano nga ba kadaling alagaan itong ating Kalanchoe laxiflora, and if you are looking for a succulent talaga na perfect for beginners, then this would be a perfect succulent for you. But syempre, even if na they are easy to care for, we have to apply fungicides and insecticides to them from time to time. Ayan. So that's all for our Kalanchoe laxiflora. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent page.